Hello, I am Sue, the owner of Trendy Blinds Inc. The company has two divisions, Trendy Blinds and Drapery and Trendy Closets. The company started in 2012. Currently, we have two locations in GTA, an online store that sells across Canada, and a network of dealers, independent salespeople, and installers. For Trendy Blinds and Drapery, to be ahead of the latest trend in style and technology, we have a manufacturing facilities in Richmond Hill that does final assembly for some products, including motorized shades and drapery. We also carry famous brand name blinds too. Our customer wants quality and expert service at a great price. We continually update and develop our product offering to meet our market demands for modern contemporary window treatments. We have been recognized with the multiple Best of Houzz Awards and features in local media. We are the preferred partner of many designers and architects and custom home builders. Customers can choose from thousands of fabrics to find a unique look for them. Combi shades are one of the best-selling products. They offer open, close, and full roll-up settings. We have a huge selection of light filtering and room darkening fabric finish to choose from. Drapery can be motorized too.
Hello, I'm Paul. I'm the technical expert in motorization and home automation integration at Trendy Blinds. We are a Somfy expert and a manufacturer of Somfy-powered motorized blinds, shades, and drapery. We chose to partner with Somfy as they are the world leader in motorization with the most advanced and reliable motors in the market. Our motorized shades and drapery can be paired with almost all the wired home automation systems like Control4, Crescent, and others. Our product also works with the wireless home automation systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and any Zigbee or Z-Wave home automation setup. Here's a quick demonstration of using Alexa speaker to run preset scenes for shades. Alexa, run full open. Alexa, ask my link to run daytime.
Running daytime.
We have invested heavily in our physical showrooms as well as our online store and social media contents. Book a time in our showrooms or online with a live phone call.